Okay, what we got here is a Honda generator. E1500, that's 1500 watt. It's about a 70s model, 70s, 78, something like that. But it don't run, it won't start up. And try it real quick. Turn the fuel on, make sure this switch is up, pull the choke. Let's see if it'll start. It won't start. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to check to see if we got any spark. Pull out a spark plug. Going to pull out a spark plug here. And we'll see if we got any spark. Okay, I'm going to stick it back on here. We'll ground it to the case here. Now let's see if we got any spark. Make sure your switch is up. We got no spark. So that tells me it's in the ignition. So what we're gonna have to do now is pull the cover off the front and check the points. I don't know if it's gonna do it or not. We may have to take the whole cover off. Basically got to take the flywheel off to get to the points. I don't know if this will get to it or not. Okay, let's see if we can't get this broke out. Well, that was easy. Now we can take it all apart now. This big nut off. The little ones out. I'll see how bad these points are. I may just order some more. Yeah, looks like we're gonna have to take the whole cover off. I was afraid of that. Okay, you got two bolts at the bottom. One right here, another one over here. And yeah, I think it's just 4 bolts. So now we're ready to pull the cover off. Okay, now we're going to have to get a flywheel puller. Get that pulled off of there. Okay, I think we got some bolts that's going to work. With this kit right here, they was all too big. So what I did, seen these bags before? You get them with a big screen TV mount. Don't throw them away because they might come in handy. All kind of different size bolts. And just happened to get some that's just big enough. Had to leave this piece out. And I think we might have enough to have to get a wrench or something to get on that. Okay, that'll work. Socket will work. Now I gotta find some way of holding that. Okay, we got it tightened on there pretty good. See if this will do any good. Got it. Okay, your points are going to be right in behind this cover right here. I'm going to pull that keyway out. Yeah, going through this much tear down, I may just go ahead and get new points. I don't know yet. But as long as we get it going, that's the main thing. Okay, now we're going to put the nut back on there. You gotta watch the points open up. Okay, right there. Now I'm gonna get a piece of sandpaper. Okay, this is 3000 grit. 3000 grit sandpaper. Gonna run it between it. Okay, now we're gonna sand these areas here on the coil pickups here. Check your wiring real good, make sure no mice has been eating on it. There has been mice in here. I can tell by all the junk that's in here. I need to blow it out. I'll do that before I button it back up. All the wires look okay. Sand that some more. Gonna hit them points one more time. This is 3000 grit sandpaper. You don't have to use something that fine. Okay, hopefully that'll do it. Let's see if I can get my nut back off. Yeah, we might clean up all this stuff too. It's pretty rusty. Okay, we're going to put this cover back on. Now I'm going to get an air hose and I'm going to blow it all out. Cover up your points good. Okay, now we're going to blow this thing out. Okay. Okay, this is P180, and I took some WD-40. I cleaned all this up real good. But you need to take your 180 and clean these up right here. I'll clean them up a little bit more and give a little bit of oil on it. It'll be a while before they rust again. My battery ran out on my lapel mic, so I had to switch over to the onboard camera onboard camera mic. So I hope it's gonna be okay. There we go. Now we'll get that put back on there. This don't have to be real tight. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching.